Candidates, I request you to by heart the details given by me, and you can use this information when they ask a question. What do you know about the financials of our federal bank? What do you know when they ask about federal bank? What do you know about federal bank? After telling about, I have been telling you frequently that Federal Bank was started in the year 1931 by Mr. K.P. Harness. Then its headquarters is now in Aluva, Kochi. Present MD and CEO is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan. Bank has 18 1 crore 8. How much is that? 1 1 crore 80 lakh plus happy customers. It has 1504 branches. The total number of ATMs are this much. Total number of cash recyclers are this much. Then bank's chairman, part-time chairman is P.T. Hota. Executive director is Mrs. Shalini
Sir, you are
Wari.
showing it on your screen.
No, I am just telling you from my memory.
Oh,
Mrs. Shalini Warrior, and then the another person is Mr. Harsh Dugar is the executive director. I am telling as if I am a candidate in the interview. Um, so I will tell like this and then wait. And if they tell me, come on, tell me about Federal Bank products, then you can tell about products. And then if they ask you financial figures, you can tell this. And if they keep quiet after telling all this also, then you can tell about the financial figures. Sir, our bank's total deposit is 4.62 lakh crore. Sorry, total business is 4.62 lakh crore. Deposit this much, like that. These points you can tell. Very good. Thank you. So that was today is the happiest. But I expected the results early, but I don't know why it came delayed this time. And the latest news about um, MD is that it is likely to be is to retire on September 22, and the new person who is likely to come is Mr. KVS Manian. He was joint managing director of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and he has since resigned from that place, because I have already posted video regarding this. This much is the information. Today's session is very important. But one thing, it is better I remove this one because candidates will get confused. Yeah, I am removing that so that they will know only this. Incidentally, candidates, today 2 people attended interview in Mysuru. They are all BBA candidates. For them, the questions asked, I have already shared, and they are like this. And is there any BBA student here? Any BBA student? Nobody. Nobody. All are engineers. Correct. Yeah. The questions that were asked were, tell me about yourself. Tell about Federal Bank other than the history. Then about internship, about family, up to this common questions. Then difference between commercial bank and retail banking. For this also, I have covered this in a video of a candidate who had a mock interview today. Please go through that. Then housing loan or property loan, which is better for the customer. In my view, it depends on the purpose of the customer has in mind. If he wants to start some business, if he has some other fixed capital investment, then for him, it is only property loan is better. On the other hand, if he is buying a house, then housing loan is better because the rate of interest is less. Relocation, are you willing to get relocated? Yes. The only answer has to be yes with a big smile, nothing else. Second boy was also asked the same questions, internship experiences. This boy was asked solvency ratio and turnover ratio. Then about Federal Bank, same history. This boy was asked given one question. If a customer comes to withdraw rupees 1000 rupees and you find he has 10 crore in the bank, then how will you guide him? So this question, all of you can try. That boy has answered. Now I would request Senior Vishwa to answer this question first.
Sir.
Please
By
answer.
sugge-
The
yes.
situation is like this. Telling in Tamil. ஒரு கஸ்டமர்
Okay.
வராரு பணம் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. அப்ப
Okay.
பாக்குறீங்க அவர் அக்கவுண்ட்ல 10 கோடி ரூபாய் பேலன்ஸ் இருக்குது.
Okay, sir.
அவர் 1000 ரூபாய் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு போறாரு. நீங்க
Okay,
அவரை
sir.
சும்மா அப்படியே 1000 ரூபாய் கொடுத்து அனுப்பிச்சிடுவீங்களா? இல்ல அவர்கிட்ட எதனாச்சும் பேசுவீங்களா? என்ன பேசுவீங்க? எப்படி பேசுவீங்க? எதுக்காக பேசுவீங்க? What will you talk and why
Oh,
you will talk? How you will present it? This is the question. Everybody should answer this. To start
okay,
with,
sir.
1 minute. Who feels he is good in communicating? Please raise your hand. I'm not asking Viswa first. Who feels that, sir, I am good in it, in communicating? Please raise your hand. Nobody has raised hand. That means I will rate your chances of success at 50-50 only. Normally, people are selected when they feel good about themselves.
Sir, here there is no raise option, I think so, sir.
Why? It must be there, no,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
our.
Yeah, it's there in chat, sir.
Hmm. Please, okay, please raise your hand. Acha, perhaps people don't know about raising because all these days you have not been raising hands. Nobody is confident. Oh, very bad. I will go to Yashwant because his name only starts with Y. Yashwant?
Harika has raised hand.
Yeah. Harika has raised. Acha, 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 acha. Very good. Harika has raised. Then I will go to Harika. Harika, please tell. Harika, Harika,
Yes, sir.
Harika.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Am I
Harika,
audible, sir?
Harik, yeah,
Yes, sir.
you are
Good evening,
CA
sir.
student, na?
Yes, sir.
How happy are you?
Yes, sir.
I know it is a very silly question. Still, you have to answer. Doesn't matter. Harika, tell me, what will you do with this customer? Is 10 crore worth customer. Imagine he is a young man, say about 20, 30 years, 28 years old, young man coming very nicely dressed, very happily, is coming. And this is one situation. It can be an old man, 62-year-old, or a lady, 65-year-old lady, or it can be a young lady, about 30-year-old. So anyway, it can be, but I am not asking you to differentiate from all these angles. Imagine a customer is coming, whomsoever is you are able to bring before your eyes, bring, and then speak. Harika.
Yes, sir. Um, I want to be honest and provide accurate information about the bank's offering services and policies, sir. As the person is having a very huge amount in his account, but came to withdraw just 1,000 rupees. So first, I will talk to him, sir, very politely and addressing his needs and concerns promptly and effectively. Um, so that I will explain all the things about bank. I will make his withdraw first. He want to withdraw 1,000 rupees. So initially I will make it complete successful. After withdrawing, I will talk to him. I will build the brand awareness. I will tell about the bank products and services. Yes, I will ask about his preferences, and I will explain all the deepest things in the bank, and I will told him that I will tell him that he also will get profit from doing all these things back. Yes, sir, this much I want to say.
Okay. Next, Vishwa.
First, I will politely, humbly talk to him and ask what business he is doing and what type of works is going on and getting the funds from him. And I will suggest him, if he was an young man, I will suggest him to invest in a sovereign gold bond that is recently released. It is released only for 6 months, I think, so, sir. Um, if he applied for it, it is
No, no.
really very
Do not
oh,
tell about a thing
think
about
so.
which you are not fully conversant.
Okay, sir.
So then what happens? You are creating negative impression. Instead, you
Okay,
stop by telling, I will ask him to deposit in sovereign gold bond. Is it
okay.
is it available now? Because it
I
is not
think it
it
is
is not
available,
avail
sir.
it is not available all the time. It's available
Yes,
only
sir. Only 6 months in a year it will available, sir.
not only 6 months. Sometimes they start it, and after that it is there for only few months. 1 minute. Sovereign gold bond, India, scheme duration. If I ask like this, how long does a mm, mm, because I'm doubtful about this 24-25 next issue date price. Sovereign gold bond 2024-25 next issue date.
Now it's available in federal bank, sir.
Acha, issue date of issuance. Now it is there.
Yes.
But from 21st February, I think it is there.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Come on, continue. Good. Now
Why in
start from the beginning.
okay, sir. I will handle him very humble and ask the quite good
Handle.
questions about
I will handle
humble,
him.
humble.
Handle him. Handle nakan.
Uh,
Is he an instrument?
no, sir. Like handle means the
I will treat
treating
him.
him humble, treating him. Yes, sir.
I will talk to him politely.
I will talk to him politely
wi-
and
Politely
I will ask.
with a smile on my face.
Okay, with a
Okay.
smile on my face,
Mm.
I will humbly ask the questions about his job and where he earning the incomes, and I will suggest him.
If you ask somebody from where did you get this income, are you suspecting my having this money?
No, sir, for knowing his business, what business he is doing. So, if he is doing a smaller microfinance business, we can sorry, doing a smaller micro business, we can suggest him for SM, SMSE, sorry, MSME loans, no, sir.
He has got 10 crore with him. Why should he come to you for a loan?
Just investments, like okay, sir.
No, no,
Okay,
actually, mm, come on, continue. Start from the beginning.
okay. I will welcome him with a warm smile and ask.
You need not tell. Imagine the person is standing there, talk. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good
Ah,
morning. Sir, I'm very happy to have you with us now. Sir, hope you have a good balance in your account. You have any purpose in your mind, sir? You should talk to him like that. And then If
Sir, I
you
want
are
to
not
try, sir.
having anything else in your mind, I will suggest like this, something like that. அந்த மாதிரி பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கணும், அவர்கிட்ட கேன்வாஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கணும்.
Okay, sir.
Come on.
Sir, I want to try.
Yeah, try.
Yes, sir. So when I get to know that the customer having some 10 crores of more amount in his bank account, I would suggest him to deposit the amount in a current account, sir, and say the interest rates what he getting after some period storing the amount, sir. Instead of yes, sir.
That means you don't know what is a current account. Current account is an account where no interest is paid.
Sir, current account means after some days we get some interest on the amount we have kept in the account, sir.
That is fixed deposit.
Yes, sir. I'm saying about fixed deposit only, sir. But that will be in current account. So savings account having a low interest
Fixed
rate
deposit will
compared.
not be in current account. Fixed deposit will not be in current account. Fixed deposit is a separate account. Current account is a separate account. Lalit Kumar,
Yes,
what
sir.
is your degree? What is your degree?
BTech, sir.
See, basically in banks we have demand deposits, current account, savings account, where you can deposit and withdraw money anytime and you don't get any interest in current account. Savings account, you get 3% interest now.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
now your point is you want him to deposit in your fixed deposit. Okay, tell, continue.
So after depositing in fixed after keeping the amount in fixed deposit, he will get some profit of on the amount that he having after some duration of days, sir.
Mm,
So that I will explain the profit of saving the amount in savings. Fixed deposit rather than savings account, sir.
okay. Anyhow,
So
we will
this
come. We'll not a good answer. We'll come to you later. Yeshwant.
okay, sir.
Yeshwant.
Yes, sir. Hello. Am I audible,
Tell
sir?
me. Yeah.
Well, actually, at first, I would like to treat him very politely, and I will also tell him the benefits of uh, having a fixed deposit and taking credit card against FD, which in return gives him a lot of reward points and a lot of benefits. Premium, as he holds more than 10 crore in his account, offering him a premium credit card with more benefits against FD will be a better option. And then asking him to invest in possible uh, bonds or mutual funds. And these are my options to him, sir.
Okay. Harika. Harika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get any clear idea about how to talk with that
Sakti
person.
Somya. Sakti Somya.
Sure. Uh, I will speak with him with a pleasant smile and inquire. I will ask about his business dealings. Then I will ask him to open a current account so that he can access the account whenever he needs for the business. And then I will suggest him to take a debit card and credit card service from the bank. And also I will explain about the apps that has the easy accessible to the bill payments like phone bills, EB bills, and so on, sir. I'll make sure that he uses all of the product services from the bank so that we and the customer also grows together.
Okay. Then our Talari. Banu Prakash Talari.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will politely talk to him as he already financially stable and has a good amount in his bank. So I'll suggest him to fix deposit the money in the bank, and also I will also explain the benefits of having a credit card, and also uh, it is good to have profit share, a good investor, right? So I'll ask him to invest in a bank as as I'll ask him to like buy a stock, and also I'll explain him the growth of a bank and how he will get benefited after getting a stock, and also I'll explain him the financial results of our banks, so he get to know what about the company, and he might buy the stock, right? So I will do that, sir.
But see, actually, there is no the correct answer. But of the answers, this boy finally, who was that? Banu Prakash, na? Finally, he only could throw a different angle to that, namely, requesting the customer to invest in our own bank share because the share price is going up. Not only that, investing the customer to invest a portion in, say, equity capital, then in fixed deposits, a balance portion in, say, mutual funds. Like that, we can tell him this can be done after inquiring from him as to whether he can spare the money for a longer time. But if he has already some plans in his mind, like, say, construction of some house or starting of a company and all, then it is better used by him by investing in that particular venture. So this is what my answer is. So the answer has to be, I will welcome him politely, smile at him, and check up from him what purpose has he in his mind for the amount that he is holding, namely 10 crore. If he has any definite purpose, like, say, marriage or house construction or starting a business, then I will not suggest any other measures. On the other hand, if he says that he can spare the money for some longer period, I will ask him to do like this: equity investment or mutual funds, or invest in our fixed deposits, or invest in our own equity also, like that. That is how we can finalize this answer for this question. What? No, the idea is whatever answer you give is okay. You should talk with confidence. And even if I am going to talk to the interviewer like this, he may not be happy. He may have some other views in his mind, and he may give a cross question, and then the discussion will go like that. Anyhow, thank you so much. Today's session was a very useful session in that we could know the results of the bank for the last quarter. Is there anybody? I think everybody is only Federal Bank. Na? Thank you so much. Best wishes. We'll meet tomorrow again at 8:30 p.m. And tomorrow, I think nobody has taken interview. Good. Yeah. It's okay. 8:30 p.m. we will meet. Thank you. Bye. Any questions? Thank you. Bye.